morning from San Francisco.
Morning.
It is our like third day here technically, and we're gonna ride bikes across the Golden Gate Bridge. And so we rented bikes from Bay City Bikes, and we got a Groupon, so we basically got buy one get one free for the whole day. So it's only $32 for 2 bikes for the whole day. So make sure you hit up the Groupons and save your money.
It definitely would have been extremely expensive had we not found that.
Yeah.
So.
We have both never done this before, but I think it's gonna be really fun to ride across the Golden Gate Bridge on bikes. I've never even walked across it. I've only driven across it when I was a little girl.
Me too.
Yeah, so it would be really fun. And then I think that there should be like a little town across the bridge and where we could get food and everything.
Salsito?
So yeah, something like that.
Salsito.
So we'll take you along and hope that we don't fly off the side of the bridge. Getting hard, going uphill. We're almost there to the bridge, almost to the bridge. We just went up a big hill, out of breath. How do you feel?
A little bit out of breath, but I'm excited to cross the bridge.
Getting excited but really nervous to cross. Oh, that's Alcatraz. It's right there. Did it. That was like sort of mentally challenging, only because like the fence like keeping you from dropping is like about your height sitting on the bike, so like if you bumped into the railing, like you could easily just like flip right over. And I was just like having this like moment of like, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna watch Ian just like fly over the edge, and I like got terrified, and I was like, just look ahead, just look ahead, just look ahead. It was actually kind of scary, but it was like the adrenaline was pumping, you know? We went from all the way over here to all the way right there. That is absolutely crazy.
Yeah, I'm tired and hungry.
Yes, food. Good job.
Good job to you. That was very tiring.
Okay, we finally got food and we're gonna sit down and munch. We came to sit in the Ghirardelli Square and it's very lively and very cute right now. I'm not entirely sure how many miles we bike to get across the bridge and then back over. We're not even quite back to the bike rental place yet. I think we're gonna eat, maybe get some more chocolate, and then we're going to go see the seals, maybe? I don't know, we're both pretty tired.
Gotta see the seals.
Yeah, but I'll let you know the mileage when I calculate it and figure it out. I know it's about like 3 hours round trip, but you should definitely do that when you come here. Put yourself up to the challenge, rent a bike, and do it. It was definitely a really cool experience.
Heck yeah.
Going to nap and rest because that was a lot.
It's a whole lot of riding, a lot of food after.
So I calculated it on the trolley back, and we did about 12 miles from the bike rental place to the other side of the Golden Gate Bridge and then back to the Ghirardelli place, but we rode a few other places over. It was about 12 miles in total. Took us about 3-ish, a little less than 3 hours.
Well worth it though. I feel like we had a very productive day.
Totally.
I'm looking forward to this rest, but
yeah.
get back out there tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Walk of the day. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I may be done for the day.
We'll see you later. Let's go. It's our